Reading Pioneers is proud to present Just Me and My Dad by Mercer Mayer. We went camping, just me and my dad. Dad drove the car because I'm too little. I picked the campsite, but someone was already living there, so I gave it back. We found another campsite nearby. My dad was tired, so I pitched the tent. We made a campfire. I found the wood, and my dad lit the fire. I wanted to take my dad for a ride in our canoe, but I launched it too hard. We went fishing instead. My dad took a snapshot of the fish we caught. Then I cooked dinner for me and my dad. We had eggs. After dinner, I told my dad a ghost story. Boy, did he get scared! I gave my dad a big hug. That made him feel better. Then we went to bed. I stayed up with my dad and let him read a story to me. We slept in our tent all night long, just me and my dad. Thank you everyone for reading along with us to the story, Just Me and My Dad. This video is dedicated for Father's Day, which is just around the corner. If you like this video, I hope that you can also click the like button to help support this channel and share it with your father to celebrate Father's Day. As you wait for the next upload, here are some other books in our growing library that I think you'll enjoy along with this one on Father's Day. Unfortunately though, this is all the time we have for this video. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing Father's Day. Bye-bye.